In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste images or elements from different designs in Canva Mobile. Let's open the Canva app. Go to the first design from where you want to copy your element. Suppose I need to copy this car image to another design page. To copy elements, normally we long press on our desired element. And in the pop-up menu, we click on Copy. Then go to our second design page where we want to use the copied item. Long press anywhere on the design page. And in the pop-up, click on Paste. But as you can see, this method does not work in Canva Mobile. It shows that content is unavailable to paste. If you want to do it correctly, zoom out the design page. Click on the plus icon to add another page. A blank page should appear on the display. Click on the blank page. Close the formatting menu by clicking on the cross icon. This will bring the main menu back. Now in the bottom menu, click on Design. Your recently used designs should appear on this page. Click on the design from where you want to copy your element. By doing this, you just merged the two different projects together and copied the whole page. Now copy your desired element just like before. Zoom out the page again. Click on the previous design page where we want to use the copied item. Long press on the design page again. Now click on Paste. Here you can see that our desired element is now pasted on the design page. Now you can resize or edit the image as you like.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.